Did you know that you might have unclaimed money waiting for you in Utah? Yes, free money that actually belongs to you. Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and embark on a literal treasure hunt that could put some serious cash right back into your pocket. I'm talking about real funds here, cash that you might have completely forgotten about. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can find and claim it without paying a single dime. We're going to master the entire process so that by the end of this, you'll know exactly where to look. To put the sheer scale of this into perspective right off the bat, the state of Utah has returned over $522 million to its residents. That is a staggering amount of money, right? So you definitely want to pay attention. You could very well be a part of that statistic. Here's our map to the hidden treasure. We'll cover what unclaimed money is, why you should search today, the steps to find your cash, some pro tips for your search, avoiding scams and frauds, and finally, getting started today. Section 1. What is unclaimed money? Let's define the basics. You know, what's really interesting here is that the state actually steps in as a protective custodian. When you lose track of an asset for a certain period, typically it's about 3 years, the business holding it doesn't get to just keep your forgotten funds as a windfall profit. No way. Instead, Utah law requires them to turn it over to the state to hold safely for you. So, the absolutely crucial point here is that this money comes from everyday things. We aren't just talking about eccentric billionaires losing gold bars. If you've ever rented an apartment and forgot to get your utility deposit back, or say you switched jobs and an old payroll check didn't quite make it to your new address, or maybe you were the beneficiary of a life insurance policy you didn't even know existed, well, you could be on this list. Let's bust a huge myth right now. A lot of people think, oh, this is going to be a total bureaucratic nightmare. But look at this comparison. You literally don't need a mountain of sensitive paperwork like your social security number or old bank account numbers just to see if you have money waiting. Fact is, just a name is enough to start your initial search, which makes the whole thing incredibly accessible for anyone. Moving on to Section 2, why you should search today, because you really shouldn't leave money behind. Statistically speaking, 1 in 7 Americans has unclaimed property out there. Think about that for a second. That means the odds that you, a family member, or a friend has missing money are incredibly high. For a lot of folks, finding this money isn't just a fun little surprise, it's a significant financial boost that can pay off a credit card bill or, really bolster an emergency fund. And this should really give you peace of mind, because there is zero penalty for finding this late. The Utah State Treasurer holds these assets in perpetuity. That literally means forever. It offers a permanent financial safety net, ensuring that you, or even your heirs down the line, can claim what is rightfully yours, no matter how much time has passed. All right, Section 3, steps to find your cash. Let's look at the actual claiming process. The state has actually modernized its systems to make this as painless as possible. Step 1, you just navigate to the official site, which is mycash.utah.gov. Step 2, type in your last name or your business's name. If you get way too many results, you can easily narrow it down with a first name or a zip code. Step 3, if you find a match, you just submit your claim online. And finally, Step 4, you upload your verifying documents, like a photo ID, via their secure link. It's really just a few clicks. Now, when it comes to processing times, not all claims are created equal. A simple individual match where you provide a clear ID, that can be fast-tracked in a matter of days or weeks. But if you're standardly verifying an old address, expected to take about 30 to 60 days. And claiming for a deceased relative or a dissolved business will naturally take a bit longer, up to 90 days, because the state has to rigorously verify heirship or corporate authority to make absolutely sure the money goes to the right person. Section 4, pro tips for your search. Let's see how you can maximize your chances. Okay, here are some serious pro tips from the experts. First up, search for maiden names or alternate spellings of your name. I mean, clerical errors happen all the time. Second, you can play the hero here. Run searches for your friends, your parents, or deceased relatives. And third, if you've ever lived or done business outside of Utah, you absolutely must check missingmoney.com or unclaimed.org. These are free, official tools that let you search multiple states' databases all at once. But keep in mind, the state doesn't hold everything. There's no centralized federal database. So if you suspect you missed a tax refund, well, you need to check the IRS website directly. Think you have an old pension? Check the Pension Benefit Guarantee Corp. Old savings bonds? You gotta go to the Treasury Department. Closed bank accounts? The FDIC. You basically have to navigate directly to these specific federal agency portals to hunt down those specific types of funds. Moving to Section 5, avoiding scams and frauds. Time to protect yourself. I really want you to read this quote from state officials closely. The government would never text you about unclaimed property. They are very, very clear about this. Real government agencies will never shoot you a random, unprompted text message with some shady link asking you to claim money. So the absolutely crucial point here is knowing these red flags. Searching is completely 100% free on official.gov websites. If anyone contacts you demanding an upfront finder's fee to release your funds, it's a scam. If they create a false sense of urgency telling you that you'll lose the money tomorrow, it's a scam. Remember, Utah holds it in perpetuity. And if they ask you to pay a fee using gift cards or cryptocurrency, run the other way. They're just trying to steal your data or your hard-earned cash.
And finally, Section 6. Start searching today. Let's go find your money now.
Before we wrap this explainer up, just a quick professional reminder. While we've outlined the core framework for you today based on the most accurate info available, you should always ensure you verify the exact, up-to-date procedures directly through official sources, like mycash.utah.gov or the FTC. Administrative rules can shift, and staying on official government sites just guarantees your security.
So, are you ready? Open up a new tab from mycash.utah.gov right now. If over $522 million is just sitting there waiting in Utah alone, the real question is, how much of it has your name on it?